Hi, welcome back to Moose in Chemistry. This is naming acid compounds lesson number 5. Okay, we have four acids here to name today, and let's go ahead and get started with this. Okay, first of all, let's look at the first acid here. We're looking at HiO3, okay? So now, when we're looking at HiO3, the first thing we want to know when we start this is we're going to put an X at our start place here. There we go. And it's the first element of nonmetal. It is, and it's a hydrogen. It certainly is hydrogen, right? So we're going to say yes. Does the anion contain oxygen? This is the anion right here, and it does contain oxygen. We're going to check yes also. Is the anion ending ITE or ATE? Okay, well, here's the deal on that. It is going to be a ATE. It's the higher form of the oxygen because it's an O3. So we're going to end with ATE. This is going to make this idolic acid. IODIC acid. Okay. Let's look at the next one here. Alright, so now we're looking at the second one here, guys. And so we have H2SO3. Okay, so we start here again. Is the first element nonmetal? It absolutely is. Is the first element hydrogen? It absolutely is. See, there it is. Does the anion contain oxygen? Yes, it does. Is the anion ending in ITE or ATE? SO3 is an ITE, so it's going to be that. So this is going to be called sulfurous acid. Okay, sulfurous acid. Okay, now, and there's the oxygen right there. So let's go ahead and erase this, and let's get to the next one here. Okay, so we're going to clean this up here, and then we're ready to go again. All right, so we start here again for H2SO4. It's the first element of nonmetal, and is it a hydrogen? The answer is yes, it is. So we go right there. Does the anion contain oxygen? It most certainly does. So we put yes. It's the higher form, so it's the ATE. So we're going to call this sulfuric acid. Okay. Pretty darn easy. We've got one more of these to do. Okay, okay. Everything looks pretty good and uptight so far. All right, now, oh, wait a minute. Guys, this is something different. Look, we've got the element carbon here. This is our organic acid. So these are kind of things that you're just going to have to learn how to make, okay? You could go through and say, okay, yeah, start. Here's your start there. Is the first element hydrogen? Yes, it is. Does it contain oxygen in the anion? Well, yeah, sort of. Yeah, because you got oxygen right here. But it's not an IT or ATE in this case. This is called acetate. Okay? So it has its own naming system. Acetate. So watch out for the carbon, guys. You got carbons in there. You know, this flowchart is not going to work very well for that. So I just want to kind of let you know, if you see carbon in the naming of an acid, you're going to have to just memorize the organic acids. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moose in Chemistry.